Hey traders, listen up. In this video, I was going to teach you how to copy someone's signal step by step. But before I do, I need you to stop if this is how you're currently trading. You are doing it wrong, and it's costing you money. The hidden danger of copying signals. Let's say you receive a signal from your minter. You correctly copy the entry price and the take profit, TP, level, but your stop loss, SL, is different. If this is your current method, you will be losing money while others following the exact signal are profiting. Why? You don't understand the strategy. Every trading signal is based on a specific strategy. Every strategy has its own carefully calculated risk-to-reward ratio and money management rules. The stop loss is crucial. The stop loss is not an arbitrary number. It is the risk management cornerstone of the trade. It defines the maximum loss the strategy allows for that specific setup. By changing it, you invalidate the entire strategy's risk profile. Advice for beginners: trade smarter, not harder. Trading is not gambling, a casino, or betting. It is a skill-based profession rooted in statistical probability and risk management. Master risk management first. As a beginner, your number one priority should be capital preservation. You need to know how to calculate risk per trade and protect your funds. Build your own strategy. If you don't have enough capital to risk following others, trade with a simulator, paper trading, or start with very small, controlled amounts on your own. This process will force you to learn, grow your capital responsibly, and eventually develop your own profitable strategy. Education over expectation. Don't chase quick profits. Invest in your education. Join our community. If you are serious about learning proper risk management and capital protection, join our Telegram channel. You will learn everything you need to know for free by asking questions and getting support from our assistants. Join the Eagle Trader. It is totally free.